As the temperatures continue to drop, especially at night, respiratory illness is a concern. It's our top story tonight. Good evening. I'm Sarah Diamond.
And I'm Casey Marler. News Channel 11's Brody Wilson spoke with local health experts on what kind of flu season they expect and how you can keep yourself from getting sick. Brody?
Yeah, guys, I met with a physician and an infectious disease expert who each say they expect a similar season to what we experienced last year, what they would call moderate, seeing the main three respiratory illnesses, flu, COVID, and RSV.
When you have that much circulation, it does lead to increased visits, increased hospitalizations, and increased deaths. So even a moderate season, that typically indicates that you're having quite a bit of severe illness.
The CDC estimates about 1 million people were hospitalized from the flu last year, with over 130,000 deaths. During the same time, 540,000 COVID hospitalizations and 63,000 deaths occurred.
And people forget, these viruses can cause severe illness. You may have a very mild case and the very next person may be in a hospital fighting for their life, and that happens every single year, unfortunately.
Jamie Swift is the Chief Infection Control Officer at Ballot Health. She says their biggest concern is recent data showing that last year 280 pediatric patients died from the flu, the highest number of deaths among children since they started tracking it back in 2004, and that considerably lower vaccination rates are to blame.
So that 2025 season, unfortunately, was just one of the worst that we've experienced, 24 to 25. And so what we know and what the data shows from that is 89% of those kids that passed away from flu or complications from flu were not vaccinated. And so I think that stresses to us the importance of making sure that you get that vaccine, you get it timely.
I also spoke with Sullivan County Regional Medical Director Dr. Stephen May. He called last year the worst he's seen in some time.
Last year was a bad year. We had decreased uptake of the vaccine. We weren't able to get it as effectively into our pediatric populations. And as a result, last year was a bad year.
He says the key is prevention, and while you still may get sick from the flu or COVID or RSV, he recommends getting the vaccines to significantly lower your risk of being hospitalized.
Certainly we have avenues of treatment, but no one wants to be sick. And certainly we don't want to make our family members sick because of us. So be nice to your fellow human being. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, and prevent the spread of these diseases.
Dr. May told me that October 21st is Fight Flu Day, where they will have several free vaccination clinics to make them available for everyone. All locations and times can be found over on the Sullivan County Regional Health Department's website. Casey?